Hey! Have you ever experienced something like this on your bicycle group set? Okay, this is a SRAM GX Eagle 12-speed group set. The first thing you have to check is the tension of the towing wire on the rear derailleur. If it's loose, it means you need to add more pull. If it is pulled, tighten the locking bolt. And rotate the achy arm until the wheel spins while pressing the shifter lever. If there is still a jump on the chain, you can turn the setting on the end of the shifter lever. You can turn it back and forth to increase or decrease the drag on the shifter wire. Do it continuously, until the suit fits and is neat. Adjustment must be done by turning the pedal arm so that the chain can move from gear 1 to gear 12. Okay. Very easy, isn't it? Hopefully it's useful, and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss information about other bikes.